Hello, people. So, this is my third video of the day, and I have to say this, people, that as life, as life is going past, I'm slowly beginning to understand this whole what the whole thing about life denotes. I mean, why do we all? It's like everyone gets a different question paper, in the exam called life. So it's literally like from a soul's perspective, all of us have to work on different subjects. Like some of us need to control our anger, some people need to learn patience, someone else tolerance, forgiveness. So based on those themes we are given like right down to the choice of our life partners, the circumstances we are born into. So this is something that is very profound, and it's occurred to me only now that otherwise till you're in your school college everybody has a uniform set pattern. After third standard you go to the fourth, after fourth fifth, and then after 10th it's intermediate. We tend to forget that there are people who don't get those chances. So but yeah, so in life we all have different question papers, and that's what I've learned in life. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.